Hi, Miss Jasmine here from Fibo Kids Art Academy. Today we're going to be drawing President Coolidge. Let's go ahead and start off with our schematic. You can use a pencil for this. I'm going to draw with a marker just so you can see. I'm going to draw the face at a 3/4 view, which means that it's turned slightly to the right. So that line's going to be a little bit to the right of center. But the line for the eyes is halfway down as always. The line for the nose is halfway between the eyes and the chin. And the line for the mouth is a little bit higher than halfway between the nose and the chin. Now that I have my paper set up, I can go ahead and begin. Now, Coolidge's eyes are pretty far apart. They're more than our schematic one eye apart. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the top of the eyes just for placement. And if you've watched my other videos, you know that when we're drawing a front eye, we want to draw a football shape, then a letter C and a backward C for the iris, which is the colored part of the eye, then a circle for the highlight, and a circle for the pupil. So let's go ahead and finish off the eyes. I'm going to just leave a lot of my eyes, my lines open, so I'm not going to fill in everything. Okay, now the eyebrows on a front schematic are pretty high and perfectly arched. His eyebrows are pretty small and pretty low. So let's go ahead and draw them. Just a single line for low eyebrows. If you want to make it into 2 lines, you're more than welcome to. Just keep them pretty thin. For a front nose, our nose is a letter U and a letter C and a backward C. But because the face is turned sideways or 3/4 view, we're going to see the tip of the nose, just a little bit of the right side of the nose, then a nostril for a rainbow, and a letter C for the side of the nose. So let's go ahead and draw our 3/4 view nose. We're going to go ahead and draw the right side, and then a rainbow and a letter C for the left side. Now, when we're drawing a mouth for a front view, we draw the middle of the mouth, then a letter M for the top lip, and a letter U or 3 lines for the bottom lip. He has a very small mouth with very thin lips, so we're going to just try to keep that top lip as thin as possible. For the bottom lip, I'm just going to draw a little line to indicate where the bottom of the lip is, and that's it. Now we know that our ears go from our eyes down to our nose, so we know that's where they're going to be, but the face is turned a little bit to the right, so that means that the ear on the left is going to be much bigger than the ear on the right. Now he has a pretty petite face, so we're going to go ahead and just follow the oval for his jawline. Now he's an older man, so we want to add some wrinkles. I like to add wrinkles between the eyes, underneath the eyes, and on the sides of the nose, and on the chin. Now we know that this line is our skull line, so we need to draw 2 hairlines. The head is turned, which means that we're going to have more hair on the left than we are on the right. And then we can just draw our outer hairline following the outside skull line. Now for the rest of the picture, it's the same as we do for all of our presidents. We're going to go down for a letter V, draw the shoulders. For the lapels, we're going to draw 2 triangles, so out and down, and then arrows on both sides, on the left and the right, to finish off the jacket lapels. Then we have a mountain for the collar and connect to the jacket, and then we have a tie. So we can draw a letter U and 2 diagonal lines to finish that off. And there's Coolidge. So if you like this video and you would like to see more, please be sure to subscribe.